A fast, angled siphon flush improves toilet function by creating a stronger, more directed rush of water that initiates a rapid siphoning action to clear the bowl efficiently. A properly designed angled siphon flush pairs a larger, well-shaped trapway with a rim and jet configuration that directs water flow to start siphoning almost immediately. To evaluate performance, lift the tank lid and observe the fill valve and flush valve sizes. Larger valves and a full-volume flush valve opening reduce turbulence and sustain the siphon. When selecting a toilet, prioritize trapway diameter, bowl outlet geometry, and rim jet placement over surface finishes or decorative contours, since these directly affect flow dynamics. Install the toilet with a properly sealed wax ring and correct flange height so the trapway aligns with the waistline and there are no air leaks that can break the siphon during discharge. For homes with lower water pressure, choose models that optimize flow path and use a pressure-assisted or gravity-fed siphon design that maintains velocity without increasing water use. Routine maintenance includes keeping rim jets clear with a thin wire or safety scaler and checking the tank flapper seat for warping so the valve closes cleanly and resets the next flush. Common mistakes include assuming a wider bowl alone guarantees performance, which can lead to choosing a model with poor trapway design. Instead, test by flushing simulated loads or review manufacturer performance metrics. Another issue is improper installation where the waste flange sits too low or too high and causes air infiltration that interrupts siphon. Correcting flange height and ensuring a snug seal solves this. A third mistake is chasing low water consumption numbers without considering bowl and trap geometry, which can produce frequent partial clears and clogs. Favor models with proven all-around siphon rim designs and documented clearance performance, even if they list slightly higher water per flush within efficient ranges. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like upgrading to a siphon flush toilet, and we help people find local tradespeople for installations and plumbing assessments. We host a discussion community where users trade first-hand experiences, ask questions, and share photos and installation tips.